Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance
to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic
for which it stands,
one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, FM. Today is Tuesday, January 7th, an even day. I'm Landon.
And I'm Scott. And in today's announcements,
AP exam registration and final deadline is this Friday, January 10th, 2020.
Is the final deadline to enroll and order AP exams in College Board.
And to submit payment in total registration.
The next Parking Pass meeting will be held Wednesday,
January 8th at 2:15 p.m. in the House 1 conference room.
Do you want to be part of this year's Pi Day extravaganza?
Enter a design for the Pi Day t-shirt contest, from an act to try out an American Pi doll.
Or enter the Rubik's Cube or Pi Digit memorization contest.
See your math teacher for all details.
Calling all history lovers, there will be an informational meeting for History Day on
Wednesday, January 8th in Mr. Minch's room 1213. All are welcome.
The fourth meet for the Math League will be held today. All members must be in the cafeteria by 2:15.
Please see Mrs. Bishop in room 2114 before the 7th if you are unable to attend.
January is the final month to pre-order your 2019-2020 Oak Leaf yearbooks.
All orders will be due by Friday, January 31st.
Order forms are available in the SAO. And today we continue our introductions
to the new faculty at FM High School with our new health teacher, Mrs. Bowder.
The new school year has brought a fresh start and new faces to the building. Mrs. Bowder currently teaches in Mrs. Paulson's old classroom, but has brought her own teaching style to change things up. While she enjoys teaching high school students, Mrs. Bowder has had to adapt her teaching style by over-planning her class time because she found that her high school students are more efficient than her middle school students. You may have seen her in Eagle Hill as she has taught there for 12 years, but she had decided to move up to the high school.
And I was so thankful at the progressive health program that we have middle school health teachers. So when I was there, I was delighted to see how much I really liked it. But then when the opportunity came about to be at the high school, I thought, wow, it'd be nice to have a new challenge.
Students at the high school love Mrs. Bowder's unique curriculum. They enjoy going outside on Fresh Air Fridays and her raffle prizes. Though students will miss Mrs. Paulson, Mrs. Bowder is cherished by her old and new students and is truly excited to be teaching at the high school level. For FMTV, this is Sam Kalish.
Thanks. Well, that's all we have for today.
I'm Ruthie.
And I'm Marissa.
I'm Megan.
And I'm Mara.
I'm Gabe.
And I'm Julia.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Alani.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Jack.
I'm Jamie.
And I'm Jill.
I'm Michael.
And I'm Andy.
I'm Landon.
And I'm Scott.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Cody.
I'm Chris. And I'm Luke. Have a great day, FM.